From one vertex of a square, two line segments are drawn. See figure. The angles formed at this vertex by the segments are equal, and the areas of the two triangles are 12 and 13 respectively. Find the area of the yellow region. For convenience, let A be the side length of the square and X, Y these two segments. From the blue triangle, we get two relations. Twice the area of the triangle, which is 24, equals A times X. Tangent theta equals X over A. Combining these two equations, we get tangent theta equals 24 over A squared. Now, considering the right triangle with acute angle 2 theta, twice its area, which is 50, equals A times X plus Y. Tangent 2 theta equals X plus Y over A. These two equations give us that tangent of 2 theta equals 50 over A squared. From the trigonometric identity, we have that tangent of 2 theta equals 2 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent squared theta. Now, after doing a bit of algebra, we find that A squared equals 120. A squared is the area of the square, so the area of the yellow region is 120 minus 12 minus 13 equals 95 square units.